Well, here we are in week 4. Welcome. And this is going to be a little bit of an intense week, but fortunately, it's going to be interesting for you too. So we are going to look at the overview for the week and then the learning objectives and learning activities. Your readings will be chapters 13, 14, 16, and 17. The modules and presentations will offer summaries, and I would like you to read carefully the discussion requirements. Read all the announcements for the week and attend the Week 4 Keiser Live for the final exam review. The Week 4 discussion forum is to discuss your stressors and your coping strategies. And for the Week 4 journal assignment that will be privately handed in, you'll discuss your disease risk after viewing the video of the interview with Dr. Lustig on dietary causes of disease. This is due on Sunday. You'll be completing your final exam. Again, it will be open from Thursday to Sunday, and you'll be completing your Week 4 post-test, which is due on Sunday. The post-test will cover the course objectives. So please do read all the announcements for the week and to complete your discussions. Now, for the optional peer response, you could report on a meditation practice or tapping technique or other technique that you use. Now, before you do your meditation or tapping technique, assign a number to your stress level on a scale of 1 to 10, low being a low stress, 10 being a high stress. Then after the exercise or practice, notice your stress level, any physical, emotional, mental sensations that have changed, and assign a number of 1 to 10. So compare these. Was your practice successful? Did it reduce your stress? So you could address this to me or to the class in the discussion posts. This would be worth a peer response post of up to 25 points. The video that I've included is from week 2, Dr. Griffiths and Hanscom. They talked about consciousness and managing pain. Now we're going to look at what about consciousness and managing stress. You can apply these videos to your week 4 discussion. So I've put the video here for you. And the bullet journal time management has been available throughout the course. I hope you found that helpful. Well, I'll see you in the classroom. I'm looking forward to reading all that you have to say as usual. Thanks.